What is our core purpose? To serve local families at the highest level so they can enjoy safe and comfortable lives, right? We're going to do an exercise now that's going to show you the importance of communication. And this exercise is going to show you the importance of communication amongst you guys as a team, as the frontline individuals. There's going to be some traps involved in it, and you're going to see how important it is to be able to communicate just on this peer level, okay? Because it is very important. Communication on all fronts is extremely important. Oh, you guys crushed it. They crushed. They kicked you guys. It was total domination.